Here we have a Pentalift Pentaloader. Pentaloader is often referred to or described as a self-leveling lift table used in palletizing or depalletizing operations. In its simplest explanation, you start with an empty pallet in a palletizing operation, and as weight is added to the pallet, the unit itself automatically lowers. If you're depalletizing, the forklift brings into position a full load, sets it onto the platform, lowers, the pentaloader retracts, and then as product is removed, the pentaloader automatically raises. The objective here is to keep the pallet or the working height always at the optimum ergonomic working height. The rotating top is 48 inches square, 3/8 thick. It has a single tapered thrust bearing in the center and 4 sealed bearings underneath for ease of rotation. The rotating top has a center bolt in there, locking the unit in position, so there's no chance of accidentally knocking the top off of position during the loading or offloading operation. As standard, every pentaloader has corner guards on all 4 sides. Serves 2 purposes. Quite common, the pallets that are on the unit will have slivers on them, grease, debris. So if the operator elects not to touch the pallet during the rotation process, they simply get a hold of a corner locator and rotate it in either direction. No contact with the pallet at all. The second purpose of the corner guards is when a pallet is placed on the pentaloader and fully loaded, the pentaloader is in the fully lowered position. Some of our competitors' models, you can take the weight of the pallet and accidentally slide the pallet off the platform. In doing so, what happens is you release dangerous stored energy and the unit springs up. With the corner guards, there is no way that you can accidentally slide or remove a pallet from the platform. The forklift operator must come in, take the weight of the pallet, raise it up, the pentaloader will follow up, and then clear the corner guards, take it away. No accidental remove. The 48-inch square rotating top offers the highest visibility for forklift operators as they're driving up towards any type of a self-leveling machine. Some of our competitors' units have a smaller diameter rotating top. They offer as an option 48 by 48. That's our starting point. As the forklift operator drives up through the mast, he can see where his pallet is in position and safely make sure that the pallet is somewhat centered on the platform as he positions it. Pentaloader comes in 4 models, all the same capacity. They're all structurally rated at 4,500 pounds, but we have found that customers, typically their pallets are in a lighter weight or a mid-range or heavier range. So what we've done is we've developed 4 different models. You wouldn't know the difference looking at them all sitting here. Part of the difference is in the spring design itself. All 4 adjust independently. So how we adjust the unit is with these 3 rings removed, no tools required. Only the 2 outside springs engage. The center 3 springs, they're just in there, but they're not engaging. If you want to make the pentaloader, for lack of a better term, stronger or more weight resistive, you insert the center clip. Now you've engaged 3 springs. If you want to make it more resistive again, you remove 1. Now you're engaging 4 springs during the palletizing operation, and to give it its strongest setting, you drop in the 3rd ring, and now all 5 springs are engaged. As you can see, the Pentalift would be considered to be a green product. There's no hydraulics, there's no electrical requirements, no electrical hookups, no pneumatics. No pneumatics means that you have eliminated any potential for air leaks as well during the operation. A couple of options that we have: rotating top brake. Quite often when the pallet is loaded, the operator will take the pallet and turn it into a position where a forklift will be looking for access, and they just lock it off. So the top is now locked. Forklift operator comes in, picks up the pallet, removes it, sets on an empty pallet. Operator comes up, disengages the brake, performs its palletizing or depalletizing function. Another very common option that's not shown here is accordion bellows. The accordion bellows fit around the unit itself. They're a safety yellow vinyl, and the accordion bellows are designed to prevent any debris from getting in and underneath the operating mechanism, in addition to improving the aesthetics. The one last feature on the Pentaloader is the frame width. Our frame width is 36 inches, which is approximately 50% wider than our competitors' frames. What that does, that just provides more stability for the unit while it's being loaded or offloaded, and you're inevitably going to get some form of an offset loading, and the wide frame gives you that additional stability and safety.